Hi everyone, welcome to Food and Life with JT. If you're new here we share simple food, real stories, and life lessons. Life lessons you actually feel. Let's go. Today I'll be sharing with you my pumpkin garden. Yes, I've picked four of the more mature ones. Now I have four from the original pumpkin tree or pumpkin vine that I have been showing you, but now it has sent out new buds and have small ones and have a medium-sized one on it. From the last video that I posted, the pumpkins are doing well, very well. As you can see, it sent out new ones, new blossoms, and my melon tree next door is doing pretty well also. Now let's move to the other side of the land where I have more young pumpkins coming up. This is where I have a cluster of pumpkin vines growing. Check this out. On this side, the pumpkins, the colors are different, they shape different, they come in different shapes because it's more than one pumpkin vine that is running. So some are round, some are of the shape of a melon, some look like the color of a melon, and some have some other irregular shapes. Separate and apart from my pumpkin garden, I have one and two other plants growing, fruit trees like my pine here. I have aloe vera, aka Single Bible. I have a nice pepper tree. I have some green onions, aka scallions. And I also have flowers. That big tree with the blossoms, it's an East Indian mango tree. That tree is huge. I need to trim it after it bears this year. That pink flowers is a cactus. It has pricks or thorns on it. Yeah, but it's beautiful. Then I have some more flowers which needs some trimming and some cleaning up. Yes, I need to prune my flowers garden so it looks beautiful. So it's not only food that I'm planting, I also love flowers. Even though I'm trying to invest in more farming, food produce. Yes, because we have to learn to feed ourselves. Grow what you eat and eat what you grow. Thank you for your support. Remember to like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Peace.